guys, my name is Tricelle. I'm an adult dog collector and I love all things 1/6 scale. Today I'm going to be looking at MGA's Miniverse Make It Mini Potions. It's the Harry Potter edition capsules and I'm super excited to explore these. So let's just jump right into it. So today we're looking at the Harry Potter Miniverse Make It Mini Potions capsule. I'm going to open it right up. So we have a clear capsule. It does come with this little table here. We do get 5 things. It looked like 2 things wrapped in plastic, and then we have 3 bags. There's also this little cord right here. Here are some instructions. It says read me first. So we do have some resin play here with this one as well. We have the warnings, important information, how to play with resin. After you're done with the resin, Make It Mini shows you how to basically set the potions up. And then there's other languages, pretty typical standard instructions that you get with all the capsules, since it seems like all of them are going to have resin play except for the spa editions. So here is the collector's guide. And then we have several different potions. I really would like that one, that pink. Of course, pink is my favorite color. But we have some potions here. We have instructions on how to put together the potions. So you add the bottle, stir it up, yeah, and then pour it in. So let's open the bags. So in the red bag we have this little pour spout cup thing. I don't know what that's called. Of course we have some tongs. I think this is the cauldron. I could be wrong. Oh, I am wrong, of course. And I didn't get the pink one, since I see here we have this jar here. And then here, oh, we have the little funnel. And I'm not sure what this is. Like, okay. Yeah, I'm so confused. And then we have here the little things that you're supposed to put inside, I guess. And this little thing right here. So it's a lot of stuff that comes in these bags. And then, oh, here is the cauldron. What is this? Here's the cauldron. And then finally we have here, oh, looks like a little courier. So you get a lot of stuff that comes in this capsule. So let me go to the collector's guide to see which one. Oh, yeah, I guess it totally tells you. So I got the flesh-eating slug repellent. Okay. This little thing right here is for the storage display, so you can display it in the capsule. I do believe the resin is in here, but I'm gonna use school glue because I can't open it and I don't feel like dealing with that resin. So I have some school glue right here, washable markers, and a little bowl. So I'm just taking some green and I'm gonna put it at the bottom here. I'm also gonna add a little bit of blue. Squeeze some school glue and then mix it up. Yeah, so just mix it all in. And then I'm gonna add in some of the, I guess these little things here. So here is how it looks, and I like this better because I really don't like dealing with resin. Now let's add this to the bottle here. So here is our potion. It's pretty interesting. I think, does this go in here? I guess not. Like maybe this go in here. Yeah, so these go in here like this. So I'm gonna open up this one and hopefully it's not a double. And I'm hoping I got this pink one, like for real. Oh, okay. Yeah, so let's just open this up and see what we get. So I do know I got a different one. And it comes with the same, the table that you put together. I got something with some candles. I guess this is the one that I got here. Gale Grow. Yeah, okay. And then I got this right here. And then we have this right here. And we have the capsule topper along with another funnel. And then in this one we have the bottle. That looks really interesting. The top to the bottle. And then this obviously is the resin that I'm not gonna open. I am using school glue. It also comes with this little pot thing here. Yeah, these candles are really cute. I do like the little accessories you get. That's totally cute. So I'm just going to add a little bit of purple. I don't want a lot. That's about enough. And then I'm going to pour in some school glue. Yeah, so it looks really transparent, like a light lavender. And then we'll add these beads. I'm just going to add some of this to that. Okay, so this was my last capsule. I wasn't sure how I felt about it, so I only got 2 capsules this time. I think they're pretty interesting. I'm not sure if I'll get any more. However, if you did like this video, please give me a big old thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Follow me on Instagram. I'm at Mama Doll Boss, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye.